Welcome back, guys. So we have 69 emails gathered already, and in this very lesson, I want to show you how to download. As you can see, this is a limited version. It says you can download the last 25 emails, increase the limit to 50 by signing into your account. By signing in, you provide consent to sending you marketing emails from email extract service. To download the limited emails, you can upgrade. You should sign in before you upgrade. Okay, but right now, as you can see, we have 69 emails gathered. What matters most is that I want to extract this. So all you have to do is to download in Excel format. You can sign into download more than this 69 at a go, then you clear to gather again. So that's how you do it small. If you are doing it for free and if you want to upgrade this, you just have to log in to upgrade it to 50, and there are more to it. You can upgrade and use licenses and all that to do more of this, maybe unlimited emails, as you can read from here. So right now I want to just download this that we extracted. The last 25 will be downloaded as it has been stated here. So I'm going to click on download button to download the CSV formats, and here I'll come to my download and come here, and I'm seeing the email extract right here. All I have to do is to click on this Excel spreadsheet I downloaded from the AI tool, and we have it right here. So we have email and we have domain, so you can just see them right here. We have 27. Okay, we have 25 downloaded already. The tool saves only 25 last email free plan, so yeah, that is okay for us, I guess. So we have 26 emails extracted actually. So yeah, that's how to download the CSV format. You can sign in to upgrade your functionality to 50, but right now we'll be able to perform the function we want to perform. I wish you all the best. I hope to see you in the next session of this course. See you there.